stewing. This fish is called egg fish. Oh, very sweet, like very nice fish. Try it. I need you to soak curry. I'm coming. I'm still going to soak curry with this fish, and that's another batch frying there. And I want to be here. The way rice. That's all. That's what. Oh yeah, back now. I go do transfer. Yeah? I go do transfer. Live chicken.
Listen.
You guys, I have sore throat. Bear with me. So I just wanted to quickly do a voiceover over this video, like small gist, like a small gist. And I always say, if you watch my videos, I used to say there's a select church beside my house because of the noise and everything. Sometimes it's always entering into my video. So yeah, the pastor sent this. They were doing their juvenile celebration of a thing. Then and he sent it over to my house. He didn't have to. I don't even know why he did. I'm not a select member. And yeah, okay, I just appreciate it. And somehow it's like the man just likes me that way, because anytime he sees my husband, he's always telling my husband, listen to your wife, or anything she tells you, listen to her. Or and me, I barely go out. In fact, I barely go out. I'm just a housewife. I like my indoor lifestyle, so you rarely see me outside, and most times it's my husband they see, because he has to go to work and all that. So it's like, listen to your wife, and yeah, basically it's always anchoring that you should listen to me, and I don't even know why he says that. And when I gave birth to my daughter, in as much as I was in and out of the hospital, it's not like anybody even knew what was going on. It was the only one that, after I gave birth, he came to visit from my neighborhood, and I really appreciate it. He came with his pastors, they prayed, serious prayer. The prayer was hot, and then he gave us an envelope with money inside. I really appreciated it. That was very thoughtful, and yeah, I just decided to give you small gist and tell you what's up. Anyway, for all the noise and everything, they finally told us sorry with this. Don't mind me. I gave them all out. Okay, except the towel. I kept the towel, but every other thing I just gave it out. And yeah. And I'll see you in my next clip. Hey. You want just that semi-permanent? How is that semi-permanent? Daddy and our boys. Hey, big man, oh. When I was like you, you don't do this one for not this one for us. There is a blade they used to use. It beating, huh? Mara machine, mommy, come and do pedicure for me now. You not see that my leg is dirty. I'm happy for you.
The cat. The cat. Shark. Garçon. The boy. Plus. E. Garrison Market.
This is fish. Suya pepper,
I don't.
onions, and smoking curry. Then I've been editing. What is going on in my life currently?
I don't say I'm going to do like Garrison. Port Harcourt now. This one I 1 hour ago. Goes over.
Powered by Blackout. Skin is for clean and smart. Nivea is for skin.
I like this one. I love that. I love the next one. So